Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the rear bumper on a 2016 Honda Fit. Start out by removing these two bolts using a T30 Torx bit. And same with this side. Next, come around to the side of the bumper, and there's two Phillips screws that need to come out. And then once you have the screws out, you're going to want to take a skinny plastic pry tool. You can get these off of Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below where you can get these. And what you're going to do is, with one hand, pull out on the bumper with just a little bit of pressure, and then with the plastic pry tool, you're going to want to unsnap the bumper from the plastic bracket that's underneath here. It has little clips on it, or little tabs that snap into the bumper. And what we're doing is we're pressing down on those little tabs and releasing them from these slots that are in the bumper. And just work your way all the way up to till you get to the tail light up here. Now you're going to want to do all this on the other side also. Next, come underneath the bumper here, and we're starting here on the passenger side. There's a plastic clip on the very end. Just using a clip tool or a flathead, you can take these clips out, just pry out on the center portion of it, and then just pull out on it and the whole clip comes out. And there's several underneath here that we're going to need to take out. These clips on the bottom here can get pretty grimy, and they get a little pretty fragile when they get older. So if you do break them, you can get them off Amazon. I'll post a link where you can get these in the description below. And just continue down, taking all of them out. And lastly, we got one on the end over here. And once you have all the fasteners out, just pull directly back on each side of the bumper and it'll come right off. And that's it, guys. Bumper's off. Thanks for watching.